Hey everyone, welcome back as Jojo with
Shruti! Yo, it feels so good to say it like this. I like it.
Yes,
Back in the
yes.
zone.
Back, she's back. Oh my god, she's back again. Backstreet.
What is it? Okay.
Okay, so is Sanjeev Hegde. He's back with Ankur Tiwari on this track.
Arre वाह.
Yeah, so I've
हाँ.
become a huge Sanjeev Hegde fan of late, and
And I
especially
recently bumped into our Tiwari, so let's go for this one. Nice.
love
Very
it.
good.
So we'll have lots to
हाँ.
discuss. So basically, quickly, Sanjeev has dropped an EP. It's called Sanjuice. A lot of his songs that I covered over the past few months,
That's hilarious.
like
Like Kanjus and Sanjus, वैसे
I know
करके.
Sanjuice.
हाँ, very nice one. हाँ.
उसमें बादल है, उसमें गुलाबो है. All these songs are in the
हाँ.
EP, and then I covered a
अच्छा.
song called Nange Alava, which is a Kannada song, and it is freaking beautiful, gorgeous, soulful. Just made me cry my eyes out. So I am very happy and satisfied. And now when this dropped, I was like, oh, interesting. So it is performed and composed by Sanjeev. However, it's written by Ankur, produced by Sanjeev and
Okay.
Nishtula. Guitars Ritvik, Godfrey, and Dishan. Okay, we'll drums Aniket, keys Gautam, Ritu, Vishak. Okay, cool. Let's just get into it. Iska
Okay.
visualizer hai, it says, and it's called Manzile.
Manzale. Ready.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, take. On a boat.
माना के तेरे आगे मंजिले अब नई और हम हुए पुराने नया है और कोई दो लम्हे ही मिले जी ली उनमें जिंदगी दुआ मेरी मिले ना हमसा और कोई माना के तेरे आगे मंजिले अब नहीं बहती नदी को देखा है कभी तुमने किसी किनारे रुके बहता जाना उसको आगे जाना उसका लिखा हुआ है कब से चाहे तुम जुदा हाँ है ये दूरियां जहाँ भी हो वहाँ तुम मेरे हो सदा ख्वाबों में बुना तेरा मेरा जहाँ मिलना फिर कभी हम रहते वहाँ माना के तेरे आगे मंजिले अब नहीं मंजिले अब नहीं ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋದರೂ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ಯಾರೇ ಇದ್ದರೂ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋದರೂ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲವಾ ಲಾ 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 ನೀ ಲಾ 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 ಲಾ.
Very unexpected, very beautiful. मैंने ये expect नहीं किया था. Look at you crying. Oh, the lyrics were phenomenal. Even when it began, लाइक एक तो बोट में शुरू हुआ, तो जब आप
Yeah.
नाव में बैठे होते हो तो और मंजिलों की बात कर रहे हो तो आप ऑलरेडी सस्पेंडेड हो ना, आप एक मंजिल से दूसरी मंजिल की तरफ जा रहे हो और आप रास्ते में हो, तो
Yeah.
ऑलरेडी उसका एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट दे डिडंट डू एनीथिंग मोर विद इट, लाइक सच अ थिंग दे केप्ट इट, बट येट देयर वाज सो मच, अभी विजुअली बात कर रही हूँ पहले, कि इतना ड्रामा क्रिएट हो रहा था जस्ट उन लहरों के साथ, एंड एवरी नाउ एंड देन द शॉट ऑफ द स्काई, एंड देन वो मछलियों को जैसे रोटी डालते हैं तो साथ में, या पता नहीं पक्षियों के लिए था कि सीगल्स आएंगी उनके लिए रहा दैट लिटिल रोटी, एंड व्हेन ही would almost put his feet in, no, almost to the end, at that point the music thing was going into that complete के बहुत ही सैड जोन में ना, एक वो उस पॉइंट पे जा रहा था, एंड आई वाज लाइक इसके बाद ये या तो बहुत ही सैड खींचेंगे, बट बिफोर आई कुड इवन थिंक दैट बीट केम इन and it rather went in a very positive note, and that's where his feet, because I was like अगर ये सैड जोन में जाएगा ना तो इसका विजुअल बहुत ऐसा हो सकता है कि यहाँ से छलांग लगाने वाला है नदी में, तो but when because of the music the whole vibe changed, and like it became a little more like peppy, and it became like he's kind of moving on and being happy with where he is, and
Yeah.
मंजिल की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, but
Yeah.
what lyrics,
The
you
lyrics were
know
just.
I used to always relate to Ankur Tiwari back in the day when
Yeah.
Galat Family शुरू हुआ था, right?
Mm.
And you would hear Ankur Tiwari's music. Um, there was this raw energy in his music, which is what और कोई नहीं कर रहा था, and everyone used to get attracted to that kind of music a lot. कुछ लोग कर रहे थे, and he was one of those people जो कर रहे थे,
Mm.
and
Mm.
and I feel like in this, in being part of it and then helping, that element is kind of coming across so well. And while it might not be, it's a Mila Jula element. It might not, it is. I'm assuming the Hindi parts is where probably Ankur helped. Is that,
Yeah.
are those details given?
No, because this original song is Nange Allawa in Kannada.
हाँ,
So I think he's
correct.
rewritten, helped him rewrite the
Sanjeev
lyrics in
Hegde के,
Hindi
हाँ,
with the
हाँ.
same kind of thought space and emotional
Thought.
space.
Because you can sense Sanjeev Hegde has that raw energy about him. His voice, like the moment, and there's so much emotional quotient. तो मतलब कौन से level का चल रहा था? Like, every word had that feel where you listen to it and you get absorbed into it. Like, you want to feel the song with him.
Yeah.
ये वाला गाना ना ऑल्सो तन्हाई में थोड़ा बैठ के सुनने वाला गाना है, ये मैं सुनने वाली हूँ चुपचाप आराम से, जन्म विद माय ओन कंपनी, ये मैं
I must warn you, you will cry buckets.
I was on the verge right now also, but I was like ऐसा नहीं हो सकता, इतने दिनों बाद हम ये सारी रिकॉर्डिंग्स कर रहे हैं और मैं आते ही पहले हफ्ते में ही रोना शुरू कर दूं, ये नहीं होगा, so I will not like
हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है यार. I'm
कुछ
just
भी हो
saying,
सकता
I
है,
did not
लेकिन
know that
not
it
yet.
was a rework or a recreation of Nange Allava, but from the first line, the tune, the melody of it, I recognized, and I was like, oh, okay. It was so familiar. I've looped Nange Allava so much, and I cried while reacting to it also, and I bawled my eyes out off camera also. Like, there is something so pure and so open in that song and in his voice, and just you can tell it's come from the depth of his freaking soul. He's composed it, he's written it, he's sung it. It's like it's a deeply personal song from the soul. So he wrote in Nange Allava's description also that this was the something on the lines of, this was the scariest song for me to make, or this was the scariest song for me to release. Like, it took a lot out of him to put it out there, as one can expect. And I completely understood why after I heard it. And I don't even speak the language, but that's how strong the emotion of it is and how much it hit you. You heard the end of this Manzile.
End of it,
Nange Allava, the way he's singing it, the emotion.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, he said, making this song changed my life. I'm so nervous and excited to share this with you all. Nange Allava helped me express my roller coaster of a love life. I'm so grateful to everyone who's been part of this journey. With this release, I feel a lot lighter. That was in the description of that song. So
that's the thing I was about to start discussing with you, that जो इसके lyrics हैं, वो इतना complex, beautiful, and yet such a heavy. But the people who are going through it, it's like you go through it, but like I've been through a similar thing, so there's a lot of like hard relate happening in the lyrics, and I was listening to it and going, oh, it's a very good thing I'm not in a sad state right now. मैं ये गाना सुन के दूसरी line पे मैंने रोना शुरू कर देना था. So it was a very like so
we'll go over the lyrics for sure.
Beautiful.
I feel like a lot of times when separation happens and heartbreak happens, or diversion happens of two people in their journeys, a lot of it gets talked about with people you're close to or friends, and but this kind of song और जो इसके lyrics बोल रहे हैं, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके अकेले वाले thoughts हैं. These
there's
are
so much
not...
love you harbor for a person, and at the same time, you know that togetherness is not an option. And
Yeah.
yet when you let go and the emotions you get left with, वो
Yeah.
सिर्फ आप खुद के साथ ही जियोगे ना.
And it's such a
Beautiful.
deep like self, अपने आप को जो बातें आपके लिए सच हैं वो
Yeah.
आप डिनाई कर रहे हो शायद दूसरों के साथ डिस्कस करके सिचुएशंस और ये वो लेकिन
Yeah.
वो सब
Yeah.
चीजें the truths of the circumstances only come to you when you're sitting alone and you're serene and the thoughts are coming at you, and then there's a surrender and acceptance. Yeah, this is what it is. I have to accept it and carry
Maybe
on
I'm
towards my
overreading into
manzil.
this. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the water element in the thing. So when
Yeah.
you're going from that one manzil and carrying forward to the
Yes.
manzil, water is the element that literally the flow of energy, you know, the flow
Let
that's
it
taking
flow.
you from one
Let
to
life
another.
flow. Yeah.
Fantastic that they
Exactly.
chose water for that.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
love what you said about the video. I was thinking कि ये visualizer इतना symbolic है. It is so simple. He's just sitting in a boat and exactly what you said. You're suspended in the middle of two realities, the two shores, and you're
There's nothing which is in your control. You're basically, like, you know, you're flowing with literally the river, the currents of the river. Where life is taking you, you're just going with the flow of it because you've let gone of something. You're not ready yet to, you know, go to the other manzil, but yet the rasta is begun. What now we're going to do?
And the
Beautiful.
line about the Behti
Bhari
Nadi,
legs.
yeah, they tied, so he's written these lines and then they said okay isko to hum nadi mein hi you know shoot karenge aur kahin ho hi nahi sakta. Like it's there in the lyrics, you know. Beautiful thought process. And just the entire, I have to say that end mein when the music, this is what I love about Sanjeev, because I feel like as brilliant a singer as he is, I think, as good a composer, if not better, because his sensibilities with like how much music to give where is just fascinating. It's brilliant. So even like, because I just covered his song with Sonu Nigam, Mayavi, which also I was stunned by the arrangement there. Here again, and in Nangyalama, but here again it was so minimal. It was so minimal, and then it reached this. But again, there were strings. The string section was so.
And the drums.
Bitu
I
Vishak.
especially
Yes.
like the
Then the
whole,
drums.
you
Aniket.
know, yeah. अब
And
तबला
then
था,
the
drum था,
keys.
क्या था मेरे को नहीं पता, but like the, you know, the drum, the beat section basically was
Was
phenomenal.
it the cajon? I don't know, but it was the drums. Aniket, it says keys, Gautam. So these three portions, the strings, the drums, and the keys, when they came in, oof. And then the fade out with just his voice. You know, everything getting pulled back and it ending with just this voice, which almost cracked at the last line or second last line. Thoda sa, you know, you heard that? Oh my God.
Emotional quotient, मैं वही बोल रही हूँ ना, like effortless emotionality which, you know, he's expressing, which you cannot doctor every word कि उसके पीछे कैसा emotion होगा. वो या तो naturally अंदर से आप में होता है, या बहुत skilled आप मतलब skill accumulate करके आप सीख के वो सीखे होते हो. But ultimately it's showing in his voice. That's what defines like a really good song and a really good singer. And like I'm going to listen to much more of him. All the songs that you're telling, वो तो मैं सुनने वाली हूँ immediately.
Oh, you must.
But like, yeah,
I just feel like, imagine the takes in the studio, and then he's probably closed his eyes and he's gone into the zone and he's given this one take, and वो take उसके raw dry voice में इतना pure था that they've ended the song with it. I mean,
एक acoustic version अगर इसका आएगा कितना amazing होगा. Like I wouldn't mind like a pure acoustic release of this or just a voice release of this.
I'm also giving props to Sunny MR because he's mixed and mastered it, and the way he's mixed and mastered it. Oh, beautiful. Let's go over the lyrics because हम तो रोने के लिए ready है. माना के तेरे आगे मंजिलें अब नहीं, अब हम हुए पुराने, नया है और कोई. दो लम्हे ही मिले, जी ली उनमें जिंदगी, दुआ मेरी मिले ना हमसा और कोई. माना के तेरे आगे मंजिलें अब नहीं. Oof, just simple lines, and yet बहती नदी को देखा है कभी, तुमने किसी किनारे रुके, बहता जाना उसको, आगे जाना उसका, लिखा हुआ कब से. चाहे तुम जुदा, हाँ है ये दूरियां, जहां भी हो वहां तुम मेरे हो सदा. ख्वाबों में ओके. ख्वाबों में बुना तेरा मेरा जहां, मिलना फिर कभी हम रहते अब वहां. ओहो, उफ. माना के तेरे आगे
No, can once more that line please.
ख्वाबों में बुना तेरा मेरा जहां, मिलना फिर कभी हम रहते अब वहां.
Beautiful. Oof.
What is Ankur doing? Honestly, I'm very, very like pleasantly, I won't say surprised, but I'm just like, yes, this is the Ankur
Like,
Tiwari I remember
yes,
from back
है
in
ना?
the
Like,
day.
yes,
Yeah,
exactly. It's like,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah. The very simply expressed thoughts that are so
And yet the words are like so perfectly placed that it's a
Hmm.
simple thought and yet it hits you.
yeah.
You know, it's very raw. It's like हमने तो casually बोल दिया, लेकिन वो इतना casual भी नहीं है. Like, you know, there is a तरीका to it. So it's very beautiful.
It's the way it's written, it's the way it's sung and delivered.
Yeah.
Oof,
Oof.
oof.
Yeah.
ये वो आतिफ असलम का यकीन जैसे एंड होता है ना वो गाना कि अब अगर तुम मिले तो इतना यकीन है हंस देंगे हम तो रोना नहीं है. Those kind of lines stay with you, you know.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
how old is that song? This is one of those kind of lines. It's gonna stay.
Yeah.
It's gonna stay. So, oof, just I'm so glad we covered this song together.
Same.
Because last time I bawled, I was not ready to cry again alone. So I'm glad she was here with me.
कोई विटनेस होना
That's-
चाहिए ना
yes.
देखने के लिए कि हाँ मैं रो रही हूँ. हाँ. Wow.
Beautiful, beautiful. Sanjeet Hegde is all kinds of special. I'm just saying he's going to be one of the most significant musicians in the country. He's so young, and this is just soul stirring stuff. I am in awe. I am in awe. That's it. Loved Manzile. I think there's one more track on this EP that I will get to in the future. I think it's the first track. Baki sab मैंने cover कर लिए हैं. And yeah, we'll take your leave. Tell us what else of his or other artists you'd like covered on the channel. DM me. Miss Bola is there on Instagram. And we'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye.
माना के तेरे आगे मंजिले अब नहीं और हम हो